Hello, teacher. We are going to talk about some projects for our company. But first, I'm going to present my teamwork. My teamwork consists on María Fernanda Duarte Ariza and me, Carolina Mora Medina. The first project for our company is the annual staff party. For this project, we need someone imaginative, creative, innovative, and passionate and practical person. And for that, I think that the qualified person to this project is me, Carol, because I think that I am very creative and I really love to do this kind of things. And the next project is next to budgets. For this project, we need people that know about the movements of the company, someone who is able to classify the priorities, and someone who can do the activities that a manager do. And for that, I think that the qualified person is Mafe because she have the all of the abilities that she mentioned before. The next project is a new brochure to advance your service to companies. For this project, we need someone innovator who can show our service in a brochure. Someone who can do it a formal way, but at the same time stringy. And for that, we think that the correct person is me because as I mentioned before, I am very creative and I think that I know about the things that our company needs. The next project is a research project to look into possible new markets. For this project, we need someone who likes and knows how to research, someone who knows which are the best options for the company, and a practical person. And for that, we think that the correct person is Maria Fernanda because she really loves to search about everything. And for and for finish, we think that we can be good leaders because we have the uh, abilities that a leader needs, and that is all.